Happy Friday, everybody, and happy end of the first week of our distance learning together. Um, this should be fairly simple for today as we round out the week. I have a Google form survey here that's linked for you that I would love for you to fill out. If you'll give me some feedback about how things are going with our distance learning, that will help me with how we'll proceed from here in the weeks to come. And then I want you to write about this first week in your notebook. And so I've given you some guiding questions here. How's your first week of distance learning gone? What's been tough to deal with over the last 5 days? I need to move my Friday symbol down and do that. And what good has come out of this week? So just write about that for about 10 minutes. And then if you'll actually, instead of turning it in today, you can turn it in if you want to, but I just want you to head over to this Flipgrid that I've set up, and I want you to discuss it there so that I can see it and your classmates can see too. I think it's important for us to stay connected and being able to see each other's faces. And then read your choice novel for as much time as you have today and this weekend. And you can have the weekend to complete all of these tasks if you need it. Up next, and this is just to come for next week, but I wanted to introduce it to you. We're going to do this activity called One Topic Equals 18 Topics. And so this is what it's going to look like, and I'll talk more specifically about this next week. And you might choose the same topic that you chose to write about with your, that was modeled after Orwell's Why I Write, or you might choose a different one. So here's an example of, I just chose yoga for this one. So why I yoga? No, but we'll look at all the different types of writing that we could actually dive into from a single topic and all the possibilities. So just over the weekend, be thinking about what that broader topic is going to be that you're going to continue to explore or that you are going to kind of switch over to. That's it for today and for this week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you soon.